Are you staring at your phone, scrolling through endless investment apps, feeling like you're trying to decipher a secret language? You see words like portfolio, diversification, and index funds, and it's all just mush? You know you should be doing something with your money, but the sheer complexity of the financial world is enough to make you just want to bury your head under a pillow and hope it all goes away. Yeah, I get that. We've all been there. That overwhelming feeling of being a total newbie, standing at the foot of a mountain that seems impossible to climb. And in the world of investing, that mountain is often made of jargon, risk, and the constant fear of making a mistake. But what if there was a way to take those first steps without feeling like you're about to fall off a cliff? What if there was an app that could gently guide you, hold your hand a little, and help you build a solid foundation? That's where Acorns comes in. So, the big question, is Acorns actually good for beginners? Is it the magic bullet that's going to turn you into a financial wizard overnight? Well, let's break it down, piece by piece, and see if it lives up to the hype. First, let's understand what Acorns is. At its core, Acorns is a micro-investing app. It's designed to help you invest your spare change. You link your debit or credit cards, and every time you make a purchase, Acorns rounds up the transaction to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. So, that $3.75 coffee? Acorns invests the extra 25 cents. It's a simple concept, but it's powerful. It's about building a habit, consistently investing small amounts over time. Now, why is this appealing to beginners? Well, it removes the biggest hurdle, the psychological barrier of investing a large sum of money. You don't need thousands of dollars to get started. You can literally start with the change in your pocket. This low barrier to entry is crucial for those who are intimidated by the stock market or who feel like they don't have enough money to make a difference. Acorns also offers pre-built portfolios. These portfolios are designed by experts and are based on your risk tolerance. You answer a few questions about your financial goals and your comfort level with risk, and Acorns recommends a portfolio that's right for you. This takes away the need to research individual stocks or bonds, which can be overwhelming for beginners. The portfolios are typically made up of ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. These are baskets of stocks or bonds that track a specific index, like the S&P 500. This diversification helps to reduce risk, which is important for those who are just starting out. You're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Beyond the roundups, Acorns offers other features that can be beneficial for beginners. Acorns later allows you to invest for retirement through an IRA, which is a great way to start planning for your future. Acorns Spend is a checking account that works seamlessly with your investment account, allowing you to manage your spending and investing in one place. Acorns also offers educational content within the app. They provide articles and videos that explain basic investment concepts in a clear and concise way. This is invaluable for beginners who are trying to learn the ropes. It's like having a personal finance tutor in your pocket. Now, let's talk about fees. Acorns charges a monthly fee, which varies depending on the plan you choose. For beginners, the basic plan is usually sufficient. It's important to consider these fees and compare them to other investment options. While the fees might seem small, they can add up over time, especially if you're only investing small amounts. So, what are the pros of using Acorns for beginners? First, it's incredibly easy to use. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it simple to set up and manage your account. Second, it encourages consistent investing through the roundup feature. Third, it offers pre-built portfolios that take the guesswork out of investing. Fourth, it provides educational resources to help you learn about investing. And fifth, it offers additional features like retirement accounts and checking accounts that can help you manage your finances. But there are also cons. The fees can be a bit high, especially if you have a small account balance. The returns on the pre-built portfolios might not be as high as if you were to pick your own investments, although that requires more knowledge and risk. Also, while Acorns is great for getting started, it might not be the best long-term solution for more advanced investors who want more control over their portfolio. And finally, the limited range of investment options could be a drawback for those who want to invest in specific sectors or companies. So, is Acorns good for beginners? The answer, like most things in finance, is it depends. It depends on your individual needs and goals. If you're a complete beginner who's intimidated by the stock market and wants to start investing small amounts of money, then Acorns can be a great tool. It's a user-friendly platform that encourages good habits and provides a solid foundation. However, it's important to remember that Acorns is just one tool in your financial toolbox. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about building wealth slowly and steadily over time. You shouldn't rely on it as your sole investment strategy. As you gain more experience and knowledge, you might want to explore other investment options that offer more control and potentially higher returns. There are plenty of alternatives to Acorns, like M1 Finance, Robinhood, or even traditional brokerage accounts. These platforms offer different features and fee structures, so it's worth doing your research to find the one that best suits your needs. And remember, investing always involves risk. There are no guarantees of profit, and you could lose money. Ultimately, Acorns can be a valuable tool for beginners who are looking to dip their toes into the world of investing. It's a simple, user-friendly platform that encourages consistent investing and provides educational resources. But it's important to understand the fees and limitations of the platform and to consider other investment options as you gain more experience. Transition to a direct, final statement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.